Welcome to the 31 Days of Qigong. My name is Sue Kreitz. How are you doing? I hope you're just following along and keeping it simple, not putting too much pressure on yourself. If you're not caught up to the days that I'm on with the email sequence, no worries at all. It's good, better, best. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about the Five Elements movement. Master Lin created the Five Elements movements a couple of years ago because he felt that we needed more support, mainly with our emotions. And the Five Elements have each movement corresponding to one of the five elements. And the five elements relate to the five elements of Chinese medicine. And those elements correspond to seasons also. So the elements are wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. And the seasons that correspond to those elements are spring, summer, late summer, fall, and winter. So there's positive emotions that are associated with each one of those elements as well as negative emotions. Each emotion has a certain vibrational frequency. So we know that everything is energy. Our thoughts are actually things. Everything we think has an effect. There's a biochemical reaction that happens in our bodies depending on what we're thinking. So the positive emotions and the negative emotions are also specific to each element, and that has to do with certain organ systems that are also related to each element. This can sound very complex, but it's not. I want you just to keep it simple. But as we move forward, I'm going to share with you more about the emotions and how they can actually affect our healing when we practice Qigong. I also have a Five Elements masterclass that I teach. If you'd like to sign up for that, you can find it on my website, suekreitz.ca. That's all I wanted to say about the Five Elements today. Just know that I'm going to be introducing some different emotions into your practice to help you balance and heal on a deeper level, but also rather quickly. Okay, have a wonderful day, and I wish you the